earlier class discussion on biology class 12th and topic of different type of reproduction. But here today only discussion asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it may take place by the following method or different method. First, fission. Second, by budding. Third, regeneration. Fourth, fermentation. And fifth, spores. This process is different types asexual reproduction. Dear student, fission only two types, binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission and multiple fission is a different types of animals, but here is study but before fission. The fission, main topic of fission and reproduction, asexual topic, fission. It is one of the most common method of asexual reproduction. In unicellular algae, fungi, protozoan, and several metazoa, the body of the organism, after attaining a certain size, simply divided into two or more parts, each having a part of the nucleus. There are two types of fission, binary fission and multiple fission. Here, let's start in figures. A suitable example. Here, student, you can board such as is a amoeba and middle area of nucleus. Middle area of nucleus. Middle area of nucleus. Here, student, it is a here in binary fission, a one nucleus of amoeba. Here, the name of parent amoeba. The main function of parent amoeba, it is a nucleus, the main part of amoeba. Here, structure is amorphous. Here, structure is amorphous. When this amorphous structure, because when amoeba absorb the food particle, is a different shape and size in water. Again, when nucleus dividing in different shape is the elastic process, so enlargement of nucleus and dividing nucleus. When again the process stage or second C, the dividing nucleus is again among enlargement condition and dividing in two daughter amoeba and the born of new daughter amoeba. Dear student, in this process, the binary fission is the most suitable of amoeba in the fission. Dear student, the type, this method, the binary fission, the definition, the main definition of binary fission. In binary fission, two individual are formed from a single parent. The fission may be barrier, irregular, transverse, longitudinal in Euglena. In amoeba, protozoan, the two daughter amoeba are formed by the division of parent amoeba. Parent amoeba. The division involves nuclear division followed by the cytoplasmic division. As the daughter amoeba grow, repeat the same cycle of binary fission. So binary fission means, again this definition, in binary fission, two individual form from a single parent amoeba divided into two daughter amoeba. In between the process, the nucleus enlargement and divided in part. So here, student, this method binary fission, in longest enlargement in the process. Dear student, binary fission is two types, binary fission and multiple. Next topic, multiple fission. Multiple fission is, in multiple fission, our parent body divides into many daughter organisms as in amoeba, Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium vivax in survival of malaria parasite. Malaria parasite. Dear student, the multiple fission means is a many parasitic gender. The multiple during unfavorable and environmental condition, amoeba reproduced by the multiple fission. The main topic of multiple fission is a three-layered protective means one layer and second layer and third layer. Here the many multiple fission. This is process the parasitic larva. In the parasitic larva is Plasmodium vivax. Malaria parasite is multiple fission.
Let's go for action. Start.
Dear student, multiple fission. Here the main topic of discussion fission, binary fission, multiple. Again, binary fission, multiple fission. Binary fission discussion. Here multiple fission, both are fission present in amoeba, Plasmodium vivax. Here the main multiple fission, the present amoeba, Plasmodium vivax and malaria parasitic character. So multiple fission is occurrence only three-layer cyst. Here student explaining three-layer cyst. Again drawn figure, three-layer, one layer, two layer, three layer. Here student, three-layer cyst means the protecting cell of malaria and amoeba. Three-layer cyst. Here, this minor and micro spores dotted represent the cyst. Three-layer cyst. Cyst is a protective layer and microbial spores. After some times, when this amoeba and Plasmodium vivax enter in any human bodies, any bodies, goes to the layer cyst is diffused in our body. Dear student, during unfavorable environmental condition, amoeba reproduced by the multiple fission. It creates a layered protective fission. Chitinous cyst around it becomes inactive. Then the nucleus divides repeatedly. Yes, student, it is divided repeatedly. It's the many kinds of in bodies. Then the nucleus divided repeatedly to form several daughter nuclei, which arrange themselves near the periphery. Each daughter nucleus is involved by a small amount of cytoplasm, thus allowing amoeba-generated pseudospores. The last topic and the final, multiple fission. Next topic is taught by budding.